Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake Oreo at home, full guide. Start by chilling your glass and measuring ingredients. Combine crushed Oreos, 1 cup vanilla ice cream, and ½ cup milk for a thick, creamy base. Pulse briefly to keep cookie chunks. Taste and add more milk if too thick or more cookies for texture. Serve with whipped cream and a cookie on top for a fun finish. To make a perfectly textured Oreo milkshake, pulse the blender rather than running it continuously. Start with short bursts to break cookies into small pieces without turning them to dust. Scrape down the sides between pulses to incorporate any stuck bits and ensure even flavor. Add milk in small increments until you reach your preferred thickness, and finish with a quick, gentle swirl to keep those delightful cookie chunks throughout the shake. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy and surprisingly durable, perfect for standing while you make milkshakes. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavor to personalize your Oreo milkshake. Try chocolate ice cream or cookies and cream to intensify cookie flavor, or stir in a spoon of chocolate syrup for richness. For a mint twist, add a drop of mint extract and crushed mint Oreos. Garnish with whipped cream, extra cookie crumbs, or a drizzle of caramel for texture and showmanship. Small tweaks can make your milkshake feel like a dessert shop treat at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.